In moments of deep connection, we often discover parts of ourselves that were hidden, shadowed by the stories of our ancestors. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating form of therapy, systemic family constellations. Core principles. At the heart of this therapy lies the idea of entanglements. Imagine invisible threads connecting us to our family system, threads that carry emotions, traumas, and stories. These connections, if disturbed, can disrupt the orders of love. A natural balance in family systems. When this balance is tipped, it might manifest as personal challenges or repeating patterns in our lives. The goal? To unveil the unseen influences and patterns shaping our lives, find resolution, restore balance, and reconnect with our authentic selves. How it works. So, how does it work? It starts with the setup. In a group, participants choose representatives for family members or specific issues. While many sessions are held in person, the digital age has allowed this therapy to adapt. Online sessions have become increasingly popular, where representatives can take the form of papers on the ground with names on them, or even small figures. It's a testament to the flexibility and resilience of this approach. As the session unfolds, these representatives, guided by the facilitator, might physically move, mirroring the dynamics of the real family system. Through guided movements or spoken phrases, balance seeks to be restored. It's a dance of energies, emotions, and revelations. Real-life testimonials. Many who journey through a systemic family constellations session emerge with profound revelations. And oftentimes, clients say things like, "During my session, I felt this overwhelming connection to my grandmother, someone I never met. It was transformative. It was as if layers of my own story were peeled back. The weight I'd been carrying, it just felt lighter. I walked away with a deeper understanding of myself. It's like a fog lifted. I never realized how much of my mother's pain I was carrying. For the first time, I saw the patterns in my relationships. It all made sense." Beyond relationships, the versatility of family constellations. While family constellations have deep roots in navigating the complexities of relationships, its application stretches far beyond. It can be utilized for a plethora of topics. Here are a few examples. Career choices. Ever felt stuck at a crossroads in your professional journey? A constellation session might reveal ancestral influences or patterns that are holding you back. Health and body image. Unpacking the emotional baggage related to health or self-perception can lead to profound shifts in well-being. Anxiety. The roots of our anxieties can trace back to unresolved family traumas or inherited emotional patterns. Through constellations, one can unearth and address these hidden systemic family constellations. Remind us that we are not isolated beings. We carry with us the stories, pains, and joys of those who came before us. It's a journey of discovery, healing, and most importantly, connection. If you found this content helpful and would like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.